January is the perfect month for cleansing and detoxing, purging old habits for newer, healthier options. So this detox recipe is a broccoli soup made with coconut milk, which gives it a rich creaminess, and it takes no more than about 12 to 15 minutes to prepare. From a crown of broccoli, cut off the florets and then remove the thicker stalks and wash. Next, empty a can of unsweetened coconut milk into a pan. Then add the broccoli and bring it all to a boil. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt, quarter of a teaspoon black pepper and half a teaspoon of ground cumin. Stir everything well and lower the heat, and then cover the pan with a lid and simmer for around 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and leave to cool. If you have a hand blender like the one shown in the video, then you can use that and blend in the pan until you have a smooth consistency. Otherwise, transfer into a blender and process until it's smooth. Ladle into a bowl and then add the toppings. Now for this recipe I've used chopped cilantro or coriander and crushed cashew nuts and sliced avocado. And this can be changed up. You can add any mix of herbs and nuts and toppings that you prefer. And the real beauty of this recipe is that it's entirely plant-based, it's vegan, gluten-free and takes just a few minutes to prepare. I do hope you enjoyed this video recipe, and thank you for watching.